As people turned out to celebrate the opening of King Square, it was also a time to take notice of work completed at the Jackie Townsell Bear Creek Heritage Center. We visited around this time last year and saw some of the repairs and renovation underway. You could see there was some rotting wood and chipped paint that needed attention. Now that exterior restoration work is complete. The three museums that make up that center tell the history of the Bear Creek community and the African American experience from the time of emancipation of slaves through the Civil Rights Movement. The city named the center in honor of former city councilwoman Jackie May Townsell. Next up, interior renovations of the Masonic Lodge and the J.O. Davis House will get started, and they should be complete by the spring. Then the city will select a designer to reimagine the exhibitions at those buildings. New signage will also be added. Family members of Jackie Townsell are pleased with the progress.
And that's a great educational tool for our kids because they don't hear the history of Bear Creek in school, so they don't know it, and we don't want the neighborhood to die and go away without something being left of it. And I think this will be a legacy that's left that's going to be here forever.
Oh, I am so happy for the renovation. It's just an honor.
The Sam Greenhouse is currently open for tours by appointment. Find information at irvingarchivesandmuseum.com.